Welcome back to the Next Gen Online video tutorial. Today's video is we're going to find the head exam within a pediatric patient. So we'll go ahead and start off with the pediatric patient who's 4 years old. And in order to find what I suppose would be just a head exam, and by head I mean home and environment, education and employment, activities and diet, that's all going to be found under the review of systems within the SOAP tab. Once you toggle this down, you will find all of that in the social history button here. And as you can see, you have your home environment, education, employment, activities would be found within education as well under activity. And then nutrition elimination, this is where you're going to find the diet. And for all of these tabs, once you hit detailed document, make sure, regardless of which one you're in, if it's relationships, home environment, whatever, as long as you hit detailed document here, then it will print out into your master IM. So make sure to fill that button out. Okay, so we'll move on now. Let's just say, for example, maybe this patient's a bit older, they're more like 16 years old, and you want to get into more confidential history. Then we would leave the review systems and we'd actually enter the histories tab here. And under the social panel, this is where we're going to find our confidential history. And then this is where we get the rest of the heads exam, as in the drugs, sexuality, suicide, and depression. So I just want to point out this top button here, include confidential information in the pediatric social history document. Basically, if you click this in, then this information will print out to the master IM, but as long as you don't click that, it'll stay confidential. So just so you can see, this is the substances screen. Once we click into psychiatric abuse, this is where you can get your psychiatric history, any SI, HI, as well as abuse history. And sexual practices will be found here as well, along with a provider comments box. So in quick summary, when we're dealing with Peds, under SOAP, go to review of systems in order to find the social history, and that'll give us a part of the head exam. And then under the histories tab, when we go to the social panel, then we can get into the confidential history, and that's the rest of our heads exam. All right, thank you for your time.